Handgun retention, gun out. The person grabbing it is coming from behind us. Boom. On this first one, again, she's not really putting force on us. She's not tackling us. She's just reaching around and grabbing. It's the same thing as handgun from the side. Go to it, pull it into your core, pivot it on them. Now this next one's a little bit bigger of a problem. We'll do this slowly, but she's both hands. She's got her back. Same thing here. She's pulling it to her core, getting that into her crook of her arm, and now it's just combative. She's throwing back kicks, headbutts. She's fighting until she can get it cleared. Again, yes, I would love to pivot behind me and put it on her, but I can't. I'm being pushed. She's on me. It's a tackle. It's fight, fight, fight until I can pivot and put it on them. Again, that was gun out, attacker coming from behind.